My name's Jamie Harris and I'm studying Diploma Level 2 Site Carpentry. I chose this course because I really enjoy carpentry. The good point about this course is that our teachers are very helpful and the facilities are very good for us to use. In practical, we do a range of carpentry work. At the moment I'm doing stairs, some of my friends are doing floor joists and roof joists. College is very different to school as everyone treats you as an adult, just makes us all work better together. We're all great, we all work together as a team and we get the job done. I think the best part about studying at Coleg Gwent is that everyone's there to help you if you need help. My long-term goals for this course are go on to working on a building site as a self-employed carpenter and then hopefully go on to owning a business. I would definitely recommend Coleg Gwent to other students as it's shown us the right direction in life.